In this video, we will cover the screen layout and features of the InCommand 1200 display, including an enhanced user experience, row-by-row planting maps, split screen, and much more. The InCommand 1200 was first released on November 2nd, 2015. This tutorial will go over the exciting features specific to this next generation display. The InCommand 1200 was designed to have the modern look and feel of a tablet, so you'll find it easy and intuitive to navigate. On the home screen, use the Setup menu to create operating configurations and management items. Then, you can tap on any of the apps in the bottom row to quickly load an operating configuration and start your desired field operation. The Status Indicator button gives you quick information about your GNSS signal, connection to CAN modules, AgFiniti data transfer, remote support, and display cast. Now, let's jump to the mapping screen to show you what else the InCommand 1200 can do. One of the big benefits of the InCommand's new hardware is the ability to use gestures. Just tap the screen to select buttons, tap and hold to pan around the map, pinch to zoom in or out, and swipe to scroll through any list. Need to change a setting? Use the convenient menu button to reach all necessary settings without leaving the mapping screen. Don't forget to log into AgFiniti to utilize satellite imagery throughout any operation that InCommand has to offer. With advanced C-tube monitoring and the InCommand 1200, you can now see row-by-row planting maps, letting you more easily view your planter's performance across the entire field. Would you like to see your close-up planter performance at the same time you view the overall field map? We can do that with the new split screen feature. Find the best combination of coverage maps, reference maps, guidance paths, or ISOBUS Universal Terminal to make your operation a success. Speaking of ISO, the new ISOBUS Load and Go feature makes it even easier to operate your ISOBUS implements with your Ag Leader display. When the InCommand is connected to a compatible ISOBUS controller, the controller settings will be automatically populated as you create a new configuration. Once you are all wrapped up spraying or spreading, generate and export your Smart Report on the InCommand 1200 display. The Smart Report contains all relevant application information for accurate and easy record keeping. If you can't wait to see your data at the end of each day, then you'll be excited about AgFiniti Mobile, our companion app for iPad. Sync data from your InCommand display to the AgFiniti Mobile app on your iPad. No internet required. Immediately view maps and field reports so that you can start making informed decisions about next season before you've even left the cab. AgFiniti is also the platform for many other exciting features like DisplayCast, CartACE, and Live Maps. DisplayCast enables display-to-display data sharing. Instead of managing all information on each individual display, let DisplayCast do that for you since all setup information is shared nearly instantaneously across all displays. Have two implements in the same field? No problem. As-applied maps are shared across all displays in real time as well. Next, step into CartACE, Ag Leader's specific guidance feature for the grain cart tractor. CartACE will add confidence to your grain cart operator while they auto-steer and catch grain on the go. Can't always be in the driver's seat? Pull out your iPad, and within AgFiniti Mobile, you'll find not only previous maps, but also live maps and statistics that update while current operations take place in any field. Now, it's even easier to always stay up to date with the most recent firmware by utilizing automatic firmware updates. No more hassle of downloading the firmware to a USB and running around to each display that requires an update. With automatic firmware updates, simply download the latest firmware through AgFiniti right to your InCommand display. Now that you know more about several of the new features of the InCommand 1200 display, learn more by visiting agleader.com. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.